Here is our list of the top 5 best Android tablets you can get right now. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is a top-tier media tablet featuring a stunning 14.6-inch AMOLED 2X display with anti-reflective coating, 1848 by 2960 resolution, and a 1Hz to 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. Ideal for entertainment and creative work, it excels at streaming, gaming, and digital art, especially with the improved securely mounted S Pen. Powered by Galaxy AI, it enhances creative productivity but falls short on traditional productivity tasks due to Android's limitations, even with Samsung DeX. Priced around $1,200, it's a premium device best suited for users focused on visuals and creativity rather than office-centric workflows or business multitasking. The Onyx Boox Tab Ultra C stands out as the most unique Android tablet of the year, thanks to its 10.3-inch Kaleido 3-color e-ink display that mimics the feel of paper while supporting full color. Ideal for reading, note-taking, and light productivity, the matte glare-free screen is easy on the eyes, even in sunlight. Powered by a Snapdragon 662 chip and running Android 11, it's the most capable e-ink tablet available. While not suited for gaming or high-res video, it excels in comfort and usability. Its premium metal build and ergonomic grip make it perfect for long strain-free reading sessions. The OnePlus Pad 2 is a sleek high-performance Android tablet that rivals the iPad with its 12.1-inch display, ultra-smooth 144Hz refresh rate, and 3000 by 2120 resolution. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip and 256GB of storage, it delivers fast, fluid performance for gaming, apps, and multitasking. The Smart Keyboard, with its soft faux leather finish, works both attached or wirelessly via Bluetooth. One-touch transmission allows seamless file sharing, call syncing, and screen mirroring with your phone. Though battery life varies with use, at $550, the OnePlus Pad 2 stands out as one of the best all-around Android tablets available. The Lenovo Tab M10 Plus Gen 3 offers excellent value at just $175, combining solid performance with useful features. It has a vibrant 10.6-inch 2K IPS display, ideal for media, reading, and video calls, with a landscape-friendly design. Powered by a MediaTek Helio G80 chip, it handles light tasks like streaming, browsing, and note-taking smoothly. While it's not suited for heavy-duty editing, it's perfect for everyday use. The 7,700 mAh battery delivers up to 12 hours of screen time. It comes with Android 12 and is upgradable to Android 13, making it a reliable and affordable Android tablet for budget-conscious users. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus is a top-tier all-rounder Android tablet, offering strong performance, features, and value. It features a large 12.4-inch WQXGA display with a smooth 90Hz refresh rate and runs Android 13 with One UI. Samsung's DeX mode enables a desktop-like interface, making multitasking and productivity more efficient than on most Android tablets. Powered by the Exynos 1380 chip, it handles daily tasks with ease. The 10,090 mAh battery supports all-day use and fast charging restores full power in about 90 minutes. At a mid-range price, it's ideal for students, casual users, and light professional tasks.